Hey guys, you ready for one of two heart pounding lower body exercises? If you are, keep watching. We're gonna start with a high intensity, like I said, heart pounding exercise. It's gonna last for about 1:30 on each of them. 3 different exercises, 30 seconds each. We're gonna do some squat hops. We're gonna do some split lunges, and we're gonna do some high knees. 30 seconds each. Let's make it happen. Gotta start the timer here. Make sure I know where I'm at. All right, nice and tall. Start with some squat hops. Always making sure, get that butt back there. Head up, chest up. Nice little hop. Only about 10 seconds in. Keep those knees from going in front of your toes. Butt back. Next up, we're going to move into some split lunges. So I want you to take a nice wide stance, hands on your hip, or pray, like I like to do, oh my God, please help me through this. Down and switch. Make sure your knee is not going in front of your toe. Last but certainly not least, high knees. Quick, quick, quick. Pull up with your abs. Whew. All right. Wow. 30 seconds each exercise. See how many rounds you can do. Let's start with 1. Work your way up to 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5. It only takes 90 seconds. I know you can fit that into a commercial break. Make it happen.